outside the fridge, but they just don't like. Before you put it in the hallway. After in the kitchen, it was very hot. You put in the hallway. Then this the one in Bertal told to just we will put it there in the.
I will send Ahmed to do it. Okay? I will sit up. Because I see. But every time back keep the key.
Yeah,
Maybe she come here.
Yeah. Maybe she come here. Why my potato and also see yeah here. Can you imagine? Before you put your onion here.
Yeah.
Onion.
Yeah.
Also me, I put, but I imagine I'm not cooking every day, but little go.
I know.
Now I put in the room, nobody touch it except me, so it's good. Muskila. Why?
Yeah.
Why she will? My onion, it will take 2 months. Yeah, 2 months. Because not cooking every day.
So, only you use.
Yeah.
Before, someone said, the same me.
That's why you put there?
Yeah, also my garlic.
My garlic inside the refrigerator.
No, I put it. Potato, onion, garlic. What was it? Tomato.
Good. I will eat na aya ako. Okay, I'm very hungry. Bigalang shout out kusina ni Mael. Sir, kumustamos? Ginamos pa rin. Ginamos pa rin, mga unta. Kain na tayo. Kain tayo ng sinigang. What's for lunch, mga lalabs? Chicken! Yes, chicken! I will, okay. Diyan muna kayo sa aking, bulaklakin na bed. Kasi, aray, masikip ang aking lamesa. Masikip ang lamesa. You know mga guys, ito yung aking iba.